Hello, Nai. Where are you? Me and Penny are already here at coffee shop, and it's been 15 minutes since we came.
What? I don't understand you.
I said we're already here and we need to talk about something important. So can you please come here now?
I don't understand what you're saying because it's so loud at your place.
Finally, you're here.
I'm sorry guys, it's so much traffic outside and the music in this place is so loud. That's why I don't understand you clearly.
Is that so? I thought you were judging us, miss.
You can approach us, miss. We are approachable persons. So next time, approach the person so you can avoid misunderstanding.
I'm so sorry it won't happen again. So, are you willing to be our miss, our dear?
Sure.
Sorry, I'm still thinking why my ex-boyfriend still cheats on me even though I gave him everything to him. I know you must not of what happened, but you can open up to me because you are always here. Maybe I look not for him, but yet you still manage to find another way. No, Sarah, this is about you. Whatever you're feeling is okay. It's normal. For me, you are more than enough. So stop blaming yourself because it's absolutely wrong. I know you're going through hard this time, but you know it's time to be okay. Thank you because you are always here for me.
Mom, I'm really sick. Do I really have to go to school?
Yes, you can pull that after me again. You can fool me.
But Mom, I'm really sick. I'm in pain. My tummy hurts so bad.
And do you think you would pull that act on me again? You should go get and ready. I will drive you to your school.
Mom, please, my tummy is hurting badly. Look, my hand is sweatful. Ano to? Mom, please, my tummy hurting badly. Look, my hand is sweating. I may not have a cold, but my tummy really hurts.
Okay, fine. Let's go to the clinic.
I think you got a food poison.
Oh my God, you're sweating badly and you look so pale, son. You should go to the hospital right now. Tara na.